I got it. All right, you got it. Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's perfect. Just take it off the boat and sit on it. Yeah, this is a better vibe. It's a really pretty Thailand. I like the side panels. Look at the side panels, how nice they look. Pretty pretty. And I like that motor. Alright guys, I'm sorry the videos have been all over the place today. We woke up super early. We don't have that much energy. But we're gonna do a little walk around of the island. Obviously you guys know this is out of my area, so I have no idea where I'm at. I didn't drive. We're in La Belle. So look at these boats, guys. Look at that. I feel like I can make the checkmate look like that, babe.
You could.
With the center console, low center console like that.
But you would be cutting
all of it
the
up.
bow.
I'll be cutting.
The bow, you're opening it up.
Yeah.
You $500 to jump in the water.
Nope. I like my crystal green, blue, teal, emerald water, not brown café con leche water.
This is not café con leche.
This is American coffee.
This is American coffee.
This is American coffee water. Look at the vibes, guys.
Look, Louis, we can make a Christmas tree.
Oh yeah, for our Christmas tree.
He's railing.
That's good for the little 13-footer.
I want something like that. I want something like that for us. With a little jack plate like that. Be perfect. Little Mariner.
I went home, bought a brand new axle for that other trailer trailer.
I like your shoes. The shoes that you stole from me.
They fit me so big.
Let's go see the boats on this side. There's boats everywhere.
There's a lot more boats back there too.
So see them.
This TV's cute.
Definitely a different vibe over here. Let me tell you.
I like the color.
Yeah, the teal is beautiful.
I like how it matches the cowling, the details of the boat.
Yeah, the teal is beautiful.
I thought this rope was a snake. Little baby blue.
Ugh.
I feel like I'm on a deserted island.
I don't know about deserted island, but yeah.
You want to keep going in there?
No, I don't got shoes on.
Why?
I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, drop a thumbs up, please.
Might not get this content often. You'll never see the people out here. Maybe the checkmate.
Why you being a Karen?
I just don't like this water. I like the vibe. I don't like the water.
Here's somebody fast. Look at this, guys. This is the guy she said not to worry about. Mr. Juan here wanted to do some weight savings, so we kicked somebody off.
Should have kicked you off.
I know, I'm the heavier one.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you could do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Yeah, does that nicely. Oh man.
I don't build my boats to go fast, I build them to wheelie.
Let me put that on a strip for you.
Oh man.
We just went through a thunderstorm.
Oh fuck, that is so bad.
That was horrible. You guys can't see it on camera. Yes, it is raining. We took showers for the day. You had fun, babe? You were flying the whole time.
You have a chance to use it, but for next time.
Get your vest, baby.
Like, don't stop. We're almost there.
How far did you guys go?
90, 98.
98.
98.
Almost 100.
98, 99.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a like, comment down what you think. I'll see you on the next one.